Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to find sum of digits in the given number. So this is another while loop program in this series. If you want to find the sum of digits in any given number, right? First of all, so what are the operations we need to do? First, if you take that number, we need to get the digit. You know how to get digit by digit. From the last only we will get the digits. So we need to get the digit. After getting the digit, add that digit to the sum. Initially take the sum value 0. Add the digit to the sum. That is, first step is what? Getting the digit. Here I am writing clearly. First step is get last digit. Get last digit. So once you get the last digit, that digit adding to the sum. Here add digit to some variable. Add digit to some variable. So here that 4 will be added, some value become 4. After working with the digit, remove that digit. That is not required for us. Next again get the next digit 8. Then add to the sum. 4 plus 8 value is a 12. Then again remove that digit. Get the last digit now 3. Add to the sum. 12 plus 3 is value is a 15. Again remove the digit. Get that digit, add to the sum. 15 plus 2 is a value is 17. So finally the value becomes 0. So the third step is after adding that one, remove the digit. Remove the digit. Sir, how many times we have to repeat this until the value becomes 0? Until the n value becomes 0. It's a simple one. So first I am taking the variable sum. Integer sum equal to 0. Then how many times you have to repeat the loop? While that number is not equal to 0. When it is 0, stop it. Not equal to 0. That is. So what is the first step? Get the last digit. Sir, how we get the last digit? It's very simple. Just perform mod operation. N mod 10 will give you the last digit of the number. Just store into one variable D. Any variable D. So that last digit now 4. 4 is the last digit. That 4 is inside this D. Then add that 4 to the sum. So nothing but sum is equal to sum plus D. Sum value suppose initially 0. 0 plus 4. 4 will store into the sum. After the sum, then just remove that digit. How to remove the digit we know. N is equal to n by 10. Just by 10 operation if you perform, then the digit will be removed. Again loop will repeat. Again loop will repeat until the number becomes 0, it will repeat. Finally, we are printing the digits sum. That sum we are printing. The final sum value will print. That is. This is just how to find. And here, instead of writing these two lines of code, simply you can write like this. Sum equals to sum plus n mod 10. Just instead of writing the code in two lines, just performing that n mod 10 operation, that digit directly you are adding to the sum and then storing into the sum. More clearly if you want to understand, then take the digit, then adding to the sum, then remove. Either you can write in two lines of code or you can write in a single line also. So this is just how to find the sum of digits in the given number. Hope you understood. Thank you.